Hey there, my name is Tolu and I'm the founder of Oak Marketing. Have you ever wondered how to open an account in Canva? Well, this video is going to show you just how to do this. Let's head into Canva now. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to open a Canva account. Canva is an app that you use to design, and it's very simple and easy interface to use for beginners and professionals alike. Now, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store to download the Canva app. This is the icon, what it looks like, Canva. Once you click on it, you can download it and follow the prompts. And if you don't have enough memory space on your phone, or you are not one of those people that like working on from your phone, you can also head onto your browser and type www.canva.com. It takes you to the Canva site like this. Now, if you are just a beginner and you want to open an account, you're going to be prompted to log in. I'm going to sign out, so we'll see. So you'll see this login. If you already have an account, you log in, or a sign up. Now, you could sign up with your Google account or with Facebook or with an email. In this case, I'm just going to sign in with my own Gmail account. And once I'm in, it might take you through some prompts to ask you how you want to use Canva and all of that. Just follow the prompts. After that, you're going to come into this interface. Let me know if you have any problems doing that, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to use Canva to design your templates or to edit your templates.